Budgeting apps are an essential tool for managing your money, and PocketGuard offers both a free version and a paid plus subscription. While the free tier provides excellent core features, PocketGuard Plus unlocks powerful enhancements for the serious budgeter. The foundation of PocketGuard is the In My Pocket feature, which is available in the free version. It calculates how much money you have left to spend after accounting for bills, savings, and essential spending categories. The free version allows you to link and sync two financial accounts, like your checking and a credit card, and you can track your recurring bills. PocketGuard Plus is where the platform becomes truly unlimited and robust. Crucially, the Plus subscription gives you unlimited bank and credit card connections. This is vital for anyone with multiple accounts. Plus also removes the limits on the number of spending categories you can set up, allowing for far more granular and detailed budgeting. Beyond unlimited access, Plus introduces several premium features designed for deeper financial control. It includes the Debt Payoff Plan tool, which helps you prioritize loans and create a strategy to become debt-free faster. You also gain the ability to create unlimited savings goals, not just one. Other key Plus benefits include the ability to export transactions for custom analysis, split transactions across multiple categories for better accuracy, and change the date of external transactions to ensure your budget is calculated precisely each month. Plus also lets you create multiple cash accounts to track all your physical spending, along with unlimited custom transaction rules to keep your data organized automatically. For basic spending awareness, PocketGuard Free is a great starting point. But if you need to connect all your finances, tackle debt aggressively, or require advanced tools for detailed budget analysis, upgrading to PocketGuard Plus is a worthwhile investment.